Hi friends, this is Pramit class and I'm your math instructor Mamta Mo. Today we are going to discuss the topic similarity of triangle and how we can prove by using some test, and we are going to discuss the test, and we are also going to prove these tests. Okay, what is the, so first of all, let us see what are similar triangles and what is the similarity, what is the property similarity means here. In triangles, the for similarity in triangle, that the condition must be satisfied are corresponding sides are in the same proportion. The side should be in the same ratio or proportion, and the corresponding angle must be equal. All the angles must be equal. That means here ABC is one triangle, PQR is another triangle. Angle A must equal to angle P, angle B must be equal to corresponding angle Q, and angle C must be equal to angle R. And the side AB by PQ equals to AC by PR, B is equals to BC by QR. If these conditions are satisfied, then we can say the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. Here the word similarity means their angles are equal and the sides are in same ratio. That means they are of same shape, but the size may be vary. Okay, how we can prove that the triangles are similar? By using three tests: triple A test, or we can also use double A test. I will tell you later words. SAS test, SS and S test. What is A test? A means angle test. Okay, side angle side test, side and side test. Here S means side and capital A means angle. Let us prove this test by according to the statements. Okay, let's see. Triple A test means angle and angle test. Means if we can prove that the first angle is equals to the first angle of a triangle is equals to the first angle of another triangle, second angle of that angle is equals to second another angle of that angle, and third will be equal to the third, then we can prove that the both triangles are similar. Let us see the statement. If in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then we can prove that the two triangles are similar. Here we are given two triangles. We have constructed two triangles A, B and C and D, E and F. Okay, and angle A is equals to the angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. Okay, we have to prove now the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DE and F. Now we will do a little bit construction. We will take a point P on the side DE and take a point Q on the side DF, and we will join this point P and Q such that the line PQ is parallel to the line EF, and DP is equals to this side DP is equals to AB, and this side DQ is equals to the side AC. Okay, all this construction will be done here. Okay, now we have PQ is parallel to EF. Then by using the proportionality theorem, we can say that the side, what we can say that the DP by PE, this ratio DP by PE must be equals to DQ by QF according to the proportionality theorem. Okay, basic proportionality theorem. We will using invertendo. Invertendo means that we will going to simply invert this. We will convert the denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. So what we will get? PE by DP is equals to QF by DQ. Okay, by using componendo. Componendo means we are going to add the denominator to the numerator. Okay, invertendo means converting numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Componendo means we are adding numerator plus denominator by denominator. Okay, so we are adding PE to DP and by DP as it is QF plus DQ by DQ as it is. Tell me what is here? PE plus DP. What we will get? The entire line side DE and DQ plus QF. What we will going to get? The complete side DF. So we will write here DE and DF. So what we will get? DE by DP is equals to DF by DQ. But according to construction, DP is actually equals to AB. So we will put D in place of DP. We will going to substitute AB, and in place of DQ we will substitute AC. Okay, from the construction. Okay, similarly, thus we can, what we have proven, that DE by AB is equals to DF by AC. Similarly, we can prove BC by EF by BC is equals to DE by AB. Hence, all the sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, the given all the angles are equal. Now, all the sides are in the same ratio. Then, according to definition of similarity, what we will get? The both triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence, proved. One note should be keep in the mind, if two angles of a triangle are respectively equal to the two angles of another triangle, then the third angle will be the sum of the angle. If two angles are equal in triangle, they are basically three angles. If two angles are equal, in these two triangles, if two angles are equal, A, B and C, D, E and F, then this third angle will be the sum of these two angles. Then it will be automatically equal. So we, in place of triple A similarity, we can also use AA similarity. If that is, if two angles of a triangle are respectively equal to the two angles of another triangle, the two triangles must be similar, and this criteria is known as AA similarity criteria. One note should be keep in the mind, if two angles of a triangle are respectively equal to the two angles of another triangle, then the third angle will be the sum of the angle. If two angles are equal in triangle, they are basically three angles. If two angles are equal, in these two triangles, if two angles are equal, A, B and C, D, E and F, then this third angle will be the sum of these two angles. Then it will be automatically equal. So we, in place of triple A similarity, we can also use AA similarity. If that is, if two angles of a triangle are respectively equal to the two angles of another triangle, the two triangles must be similar, and this criteria is known as AA similarity criteria for two triangles. Okay. For the in the upcoming video, we are going to prove the side angle side test. So please keep watching my videos, and thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel for the further notification.